Asha Kinski, ay na, sino po Miss Universe? Si Smita Sen. Tsaka Daisy Reyes. Try ko lang ha, palakpakan. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony somewhere air. See the lights, see the party fall down. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. And little did I know, come on, that you know we were throwing pebbles and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I stay up to the garden to see you. You so close your eyes. Dalawa yung boses ko. Escape this town for a little while. Hop, 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 hop. Cause you were Romeo, I was Scarlet Letter. And my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, take me to try to tell me how you feel. This love is difficult, but it's critical. Being friends with making out this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Whoa, yeah. Pataas ko lang. Okay lang. I'd run away, wondering if you were coming around. My fears faded when I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. As this in my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, Mary and Juliet, never have to be alone. I love you and that's all I really know. I talk to your dead dog, pink out of white dress. It's a love story, baby, just sing yes. Whoa, whoa. Cause we were both young when I first saw you. Palakpakan tapos na. Pinawisan ako sa kanta, kita nyo naman.